Welcome to class number 15 of the Leaving Cert Ordinary Level Algebra course, where you are going to continue working on inequalities. You are going to do a quick review of sets, which you need to know to answer questions on inequalities. The set P contains the elements 2, 4, 5, 8, and 9. The set Q contains the elements 1, 2, 3, and 8. The elements that are common to P and Q are 2 and 8. This is called P intersection Q. You can represent this information in a Venn diagram. The intersection is where the two circles overlap. The elements 2 and 8 go in here. Now fill set P with the rest of its elements. Now fill Q with the rest of its elements. The main operations on sets that you need to know are P intersection Q are the elements common to P and Q. P union Q is all the elements in P and Q. P less Q are the elements in P that are not in Q. Q less P are the elements in Q that are not in P. Example 1. Find A, the solution set of 3x minus 2 is less than or equal to 4 for x an element of z. Find B, the solution set of 1 minus 3x all over 2 is less than 5 for x an element of z. List the elements of A intersection B. X's to the left and numbers to the right. Divide both sides by 3, giving a solution of x is less than or equal to 2. X is an element of z, which are the integers. Therefore, the set A contains all the whole numbers less than and including 2. The set goes on forever to the left. Multiply both sides by 2 to get rid of the fraction. X's to the left and numbers to the right. Divide both sides by minus 3. Remember to reverse the inequality. The solution is x is greater than minus 3. X is an integer. The set B contains all the integers greater than minus 3, but not including minus 3. The set goes on forever to the right. A intersection B are all the elements common to A and B. The answer is the set minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, and 2. Example 2. Find the solution set of E of 9 minus 2x is greater than or equal to 7 for x an element of n. Find the solution set of H of a quarter x minus 1/3 is less than or equal to 5/12 for x an element of n. Write down the elements of H less E. X's to the left and numbers to the right. Divide both sides by minus 2. Remember to reverse the inequality. X is a natural number, less than or equal to 1. The set E contains the elements 0 and 1. Multiply across by 12 to get rid of the fractions. X's to the left and numbers to the right. The solution is x is less than or equal to 3. The set H contains all the natural numbers less than and including 3. H less E contains the elements in H that are not in E. The answer is the set with elements 2 and 3. That's the end of the class. Have a look at the demonstration examples, and when you think you are ready, do the exercise worksheet.